Hello guys, in this video we will see a stable multivibrator, how to make a simple LED flashing circuit using transistors without a use of any IC. So what is a astable multivibrator is? In a astable multivibrator, there is a no stable state. Output of the circuit continuously changes from high to low and the timing for which can be controlled by the value of resistor and capacitor. So this is the circuit for a stable multivibrator, and here the collector of one transistor is connected to the base of another transistor through a capacitor, and both transistors work as a switch. So let's see. The value of collector resistance is smaller than the base resistance. When supply is given, both transistors will try to conduct and capacitor starts charging. But here one transistor will be more conducting than other and it goes into the saturation due to imbalance in the circuit or difference in the parameters of the transistor. Consider T1 is on and T2 is off. At that point, C2 charges through a resistor RC2 and C1 discharges through a transistor T1, and T2 is off due to a negative voltage from discharging capacitor, and it will remain off until C1 get completely discharges, and after a complete discharge it will start again charging. When capacitor C1 charges to a sufficient voltage to provide a base emitter voltage of 0.7 to transistor T2, then transistor T2 will be on and capacitor C2 starts discharging and transistor T1 will be off. So in this way, charging and discharging of capacitors make transistors on and off and LED starts blinking. So let's start with the circuit. Components required. Breadboard for easy connections. If you don't know how to use a breadboard, then watch our video how to use a breadboard. Link in description below. 2 NPN transistors, 2N222, or you can use BC547. 2 capacitors of 100 microfarad, 2 LEDs, 2 resistors of 10 kilo ohm, and 2 resistors of 330 ohm, and some connecting wires.